Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all Gordon Ramsay's pasta dough recipe made from scratch, which I learned from his masterclass session at masterclass.com. So we're going to start with 5 eggs and 1 yolk. So you whisk the eggs to combine, then you make a well in the middle of the flour and season with a little bit of salt and a little bit of olive oil. Next, add in half of the egg mixture, and using your fork you're going to mix and slowly bring in the flour from that well into the egg mixture. You don't want to break the well, you want to make sure you take your time, bring in the flour a little at a time and incorporate it well. Once it gets thick to this consistency, you're going to continue adding more flour. Next, I'm going to go in with the rest of the egg mixture, and I'm continuing to bring that flour into that egg mixture. Now you'll see the walls of the well starting to fall. Continue bringing in that flour. Now a tip is, if it's too runny, then you'll need to add some additional dry flour to bring it together. But this must be a firm dough once you're finished. Next, taking your hands, you're going to knead this until it's very smooth. We want that gluten in the flour to form. Keep kneading, pulling back and pushing, pulling and pushing. This technique helps that gluten in the flour to form. You see, we're almost there. You see, the flour or the dough is nice and smooth. It's getting very pliable. So continue to knead, bringing in and pushing out. And once it's nice and smooth and you see that gluten form it into a ball. Next, to store this, you need to store it in plastic wrap. So wrap in plastic wrap and refrigerate until you're ready to use. Now you have to wrap it well, or else it will form a gray skin. And that's as easy as it is to make homemade pasta or fresh pasta. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please leave me your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!